to print ballot papers for the fresh presidential election slated for the 26th of October. Although this is not planned or confirmed yet, because IEBC did state that due to time constraints, Al Ghurair, which already has a 2-year contract, will go ahead and print the ballot papers. But IEBC has already struck a deal with the United Nations Development Programme to shop for another supplier following demands by opposition leaders. UNDP will identify a new printer expected to deliver ballot papers and the statutory forms at least 4 days to the 26th of October. So we'll be waiting for the official word from the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission as to whether they will be opting for this new deal or sticking with this new deal by UNDP, whether they will be sticking to the previous decision to have Al Ghurair. Remember, the Dubai-based firm Al Ghurair was among the irreducible minimums that NASA had fronted, saying they do not trust the credibility of this firm to continue printing ballot papers for the repeat presidential election. Does this signal perhaps some goodwill on the part of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission to meet the irreducible minimums as laid out by NASA? We'll be taking a look at what more IEBC has done when it got to the nation with regard to preparing for the August 8th election.